Today, let's make this decadent and royal Avdi layer biryani that is definitely going to be the most stunning dinner spread centerpiece this festive season. Start by boiling your rice with whole spices, salt and lemon. Then for a mixed vegetable layer, we will blend our aromatics, mint, cilantro, cashew or soaked poppy seeds into a fine paste. Heat some oil in a pan, add in your whole spices and onions and saute till they are translucent. In goes our cashew and poppy seed paste. Add in your beaten yogurt and all these spices. Let this simmer until you see oil on top. Add in your veggies, paneer, potato along with some splash of milk for some creaminess to finish this off. Now to assemble our biryani, we will grease a cake tin and add a layer of our boiled rice. And now we will make our saffron milk mixture with some ghee, rose and kevra water and spoon this on top. Add a generous layer of our Avdi mixed vegetable. Top this off with some mint and cilantro and our saffron milk mixture, and then comes our rice mixed with some beetroot for that lovely pink color. Press this down and finish with a drizzle of saffron milk. Cover with the foil to create a dum, and this will help to trap all the flavors in the biryani. After 15-20 minutes of dum, carefully unmold it on a plate. Garnish it with some cilantro, pomegranate, nuts and gold varak, and it's ready. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.